Okay, so welcome back to another video, and today what I've done is I've built a form that's gonna, anytime someone fills out a form submission, it's gonna call that lead or that person with voice AI.
Jake, this is Riley from JB Dental. I'm calling because you submitted an appointment request. Do you have a second to confirm the appointment?
Yes, I do.
Great, I just need to confirm a few details and find a time that works best for you. First, could you please confirm your full name so I can match it with our form submission?
Yeah, it's Jake Batt. My last name is B-H-A-T-T. Why have I done this? Well, most people and most leads go cold within under 5 minutes, so I built a system basically that auto calls them, and we'll schedule that appointment there and then, book them on your calendar. It's going to save you time, it's going to save you money from hiring someone to have to do it, and we're going to set it up here in hopefully less than 15 minutes. So without talking and over explaining, let's jump right into the tutorial. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a scenario using Fillout forms, make, and then I'm going to use Vapi as the voice AI agent. So the first step is you want to go to open up a new tab and then just type in Google Vapi AI. You want to go down to Vapi AI and then sign up with Vapi AI using Google or just set up an account. Vapi AI is basically a voice AI agent service. It's completely free. You just have to pay for your usage of the AI and the voice usage. I think it works out like anywhere from 10 to 15 cents a minute. You can use different models and it changes the pricing. It's by far the best voice AI system out there. Super easy to integrate with workflows and calendars and all that stuff. So the first thing you need to do is you need to set up an assistant. The way you do that is you'll come to this page when you're logged in and you just click on assistants. Now I've already set the assistant with all the AI prompts that I've got. I use ChatGPT to build this prompt. So first step, hit create assistant. Now I'm going to leave a link below of a Notion document where you can copy and paste the prompt that I've used here. For this particular example, I've used a dental clinic and I've made the AI prompt a demo prompt. So if you need it for a live working example, you're going to have to refine this prompt. Just punch it into ChatGPT and make the adjustments. Say I want to do it for this, and this is the prompt I'm using. Keep the same structure, blah blah blah. So hit blank template, name it, new assistant. They already said that, I know. Blank template, create assistant, and then use the link below to paste in this here, which will look something like this. So you've got your first message, which is basically, hey, this is Riley from JB Dental. I'm calling because you submitted an appointment request. Okay, and then these are the instructions. If you want to go through these instructions and refine them for your business, by all means do that. I'll leave a link below so you can copy and refine that. But like I said, this is a demo one, so the calendar is completely open. For Vapi, I don't want to get into too many details. There's a lot of settings in Vapi, but you can add background noise to make it sound realistic. You can change the voice. You can make it female. You can change. You can transcribe your calls. You can integrate tools. You can integrate workflows. Super complex. It's super simple and has a lot of cool features that don't cost you extra. So yeah. So now we've got the assistant done. The next step is to set up a phone number for that assistant. So you go here to phone numbers. Now with Vapi, which is kind of cool, you get free 10 US numbers. If you're in the US, hit the free Vapi number, choose your area code, and then choose a number. It's done. If you're not in the US, these free Vapi numbers do not do international calls. So you have to import from Twilio, which is what I've done. I'm in Canada here. So in order to do that, you just go to Twilio, sign up to Twilio. There is a verification step. You might have to upload your driver's license, but it's very simple to do and works right away. You don't have to wait or anything like that. Put your license in, your address, all that stuff, log in, and then all you need to do, the Twilio dashboard to me is kind of confusing, so trust me, I understand if it all looks confusing, but all you need to do is you need to go to phone numbers, go to manage, and then buy a number. And then in my case, I wanted to, So yeah, make sure you select what you need here. I want voice and SMS. And then I just choose the country, search, and then here, and as you can see, look, it's $1.15 for a number, so it's next to nothing. Then I think it's $1.15 monthly after that. But yeah, choose your local number if possible. Hit buy. Once you buy that number, you might have to confirm some settings, and then it will be in this active number section here. So once you've done that and purchased your number, go ahead, click here, and then just copy that number. Go back to Vapi, and then click on Import Twilio in the phone number section. Put your number in here, and then you just need to add your SID from your account and your auth token, which you can find on the account dashboard of Twilio. And you see here, there's your SID, there's your auth token. Literally just copy and paste those in, and then hit import from Twilio. Leave SMS enabled. I'm not setting up texting for this video. We can do that in another video, but then hit import. Once you've done that, you'll have a number like this. This is the imported number that I've just created. And then the only thing you need to do here is, you literally, all you got to do is just assign your assistant to this number that you've just created, like so. You can have a fallback number if you need. It's not letting me scroll down for some reason. Hold on a sec. There we go. You can have a fallback assistant. Oh, sorry, this is the outbound calls. This is, yeah, you want to select that too. Select the same system for the outbound calls. That's what we're doing it for. So yeah, select the same for inbound and outbound. You can have 2 different assistants for each, and then hit save. Okay. And we'll come back there in a second. So now we've got the voice AI built. We've got the phone number ready. The next thing we need to do now is set up the automation in Make. So I'll leave a link below where you can import this automation. I'll give you this one for free. This one is definitely a simple automation. I'm going to have some more premium automations in my community that are going to get way more involved and way more complex that I'll be giving away and selling. So stick around for that. Hit subscribe, like and subscribe if you want to be into the. Sorry. Just for context, I'm gonna have the community up very soon. I'm gonna have like the first 50 members. It's gonna be completely free. Then I'm gonna be charging a premium fee for that community where you're gonna get automations like this that you can incorporate and plug and play into your business right away. So that was my little sales pitch. But here we go. Back to it now. So we need to create a fill-out form. And then we need to use these 2 modules here to call the Vapi API. So first thing, go to fillout.com or use my link below. And then I've created this form here called Dental Clinic. You just hit create form and then do a blank form. And then for your blank form, you want a text field for first name, text field for last name, phone number, and email. And you just do that here by doing text and then just drag it over, phone number, drag it over, email, drag it over, and then there will be a publish button. Hit publish, get your link. You don't need to set up a webhook or anything like that. This is the form that people are going to fill out. Obviously, if you're not doing it for a dental clinic and you're doing it for something more involved, do as many fields as you need to. Whatever, it really depends on your situation. And then you just come here, you just got to hit add. And then you just connect to your fill out connection, and then you choose your form. Okay, and that's what I've done here, dental clinic. And then this section here is a sleep module, and so basically all that does is it just waits a period of time before it calls them back. If you don't want them to be called back right away, add a 5-minute delay. Just because I'm doing this video, I've done 5 seconds, but like add a delay. And then put on your form, we'll be calling you in 5 minutes or something like that. So have your lines open or something, whatever. And then the next step is when you import this blueprint too, you're going to have all this filled out. But the only things that you're going to need to change are this ID here. So this will be your assistant ID. And now where we get that is we go to Vapi, go to assistants, choose your assistant, and then just copy that ID, go back to Make, and literally just paste that ID right there. Close that. Method, patch, this is all going to be filled out. And then this here is your API key. So this is going to be, go to Vapi API keys. I added a new key. You see here, dental clinic. So add a key, and then copy that ID. Punch it in there. There we go. And then I'll just do, this is for the first message. So whenever the form calls, it's gonna say this first. Excuse me. It's gonna say this first message, and then I've put the first name field from the form, so it adds a bit of personalization. And then I'm just put hey first name or hi first name. This is Riley from JB Dental, so obviously put your company name. I'm calling you because you scheduled an appointment request. Do you have a second to confirm the details? No, confirm the appointment. And then just wait for an answer. It'll probably say yes or whatever. And then this module here, you want to use this here to post request, the same API key as the previous module. And then so this is the JSON that you're going to send with a request. It's an outbound phone call. You're going to use your assistant ID, same place in assistants, and then you need your phone number ID. Now the place where you get that is you go to phone numbers, you go to your phone number, and then you just copy this ID up here. Go in here, copy, there you go. And that's all set. This is basically just saying dial this number, use this assistant, use this phone number. Okay. Once that's set, save that. Okay. Okay. Now, this looks super simple. It is really simple. Of course, you can add way more workflows. You can send them texts. Additionally to this, you can add this to your CRM. You can log the calls. This is just to get this up and running right away, fast. But yeah, that's simple. That's done. The next thing you need to do is make sure this is checked here immediately as data arrives. And then we're just going to have this set to run once. So now this is waiting for a form submission. So go back to your Fillout. And I'm going to do my name. And then I'm going to pause right now. I'm just going to put in a phone number. And then we'll come back to this, okay? Okay, I filled that out. You can see this. It's working right now. I've got my phone here, ready to receive a call. Come on. Oh, here we go. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to put this on speaker.
Hi, Jake. This is Riley from JB Dental. I'm calling because you submitted an appointment request. Do you have a second to confirm the appointment?
Yes, I do.
Great. I just need to confirm a few details and find a time that works best for you. First, could you please confirm your full name so I can match it with our form submission?
Yeah, it's Jake Batt. My last name is B-H-A-T-T.
Thank you, Jake Batt. Now, what type of appointment would you like to book? For example, a dental cleaning, checkup, or something else?
I'd like a cleaning, please.
Got it. Is this for a routine visit or something more urgent?
This is for a routine visit.
Perfect. We have availability this week and next. Do you prefer mornings or afternoons?
I prefer afternoons, and next week would be better.
Thanks, Jake. Let me take a look for you. We have openings next week on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m., Thursday at 1 p.m. Would either of those work for you?
Do you have Thursday at 3 p.m.?
Yes, we do have Thursday at 3 p.m. available. Would you like me to book your cleaning for them?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Perfect. I've booked your dental cleaning for Thursday, insert date, at 3 p.m. Please arrive 15 minutes early and bring your dental insurance card, a photo ID, and a list of any medications you're currently taking. Would you like us to send a reminder by text before your appointment?
No, thank you. That will be all.
Got it. To confirm, you're all set for your dental cleaning on Thursday, date at 3 p.m. Thanks for choosing JB Dentist Clinic, Jake. We look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye. And there you go. So obviously the insert date is going to be changed. Like, you need to have a tool that calls a calendar, or has has those dates and that time frames already set. You can even predefine the dates if you like. If it's not for a dental clinic and you only want to do these meetings at 9 and 12, you can just say I have 9 and 12 available every single day. And the way you do that is you just go into your assistants, go to your prompt. Oh, sorry, go to the right one. Go to your prompt and then just organize this however you want it. Of course, there are, if you go into the workflow section, you can add calendars. You can, you can set workflows for those calendars. You go in tools here. I actually think you can integrate a calendar. There you go. Look, create event. You can integrate with Go High Level. You can transfer the call. So there's tons of different options there. But yeah, there's 15 minutes. We just set up a voice AI agent. Just call me directly from a form submission. You could do this for if you're a real estate agent and you want to confirm appointments. You don't want to show up to a house and no one shows up, so you want to get that confirmation. You can be a dental clinic. That's a perfect example. Just get people to fill out the form instead of having your staff call them back and spend 20 minutes organizing, choosing dates, blah blah. You just get voice AI to handle it all for you. What else? What if they're going to if you're an e-commerce store and they are going to they want to return it, you can have voice AI call them, confirm its condition, confirm the product, the postal, the invoice, all that stuff. Like, you can get super detailed and you can just have voice AI doing it all for you. And in this case, it's costing 10 cents a minute. How long was that phone call? That phone call there was what? That was 1 minute. Don't actually see it. It was like 1 minute. You saw it there. We can look back in the video. It was like 1 minute long. But still, so that cost me 10 cents as opposed to paying someone $25 an hour to sit there and do all that kind of manual grunt work. You can get voice AI to do this, and make is completely free to start. And if you want to use, so this is for operations. So if you want to set a plan for operations, have 10,000 a month, I believe it's $9. Use my affiliate link below. You'll get a bunch of different automations that I give only to my affiliate users. So these are super advanced automations that you won't get anywhere else, especially at this price. So if you use this and you get a $9 account, I get like $3, and then you get automations that are worth thousands of dollars. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Let me know if you want anything specific with voice AI agents. I can look at building those out. I hope you like this, and like and subscribe. Bye bye.